Supply by government entities. This article outlines the circumstances in which a government entity is considered to be making a supply in the course of business and specifies the conditions under which such supplies are subject to VAT. It also provides for a cabinet decision to clarify certain activities of government entities in relation to VAT obligations. 1. When a government entity is considered to be making a supply in the course of business. A government entity is deemed to be engaging in a business activity and subject to VAT when it meets either of the following conditions. A. Activities conducted in a non-sovereign capacity. A government entity is considered to be making a supply in the course of business when it engages in activities that do not fall within its sovereign authority. Sovereign activities refer to functions that are exclusive to the government, such as issuing laws, maintaining public security, and enforcing regulations. Any activity performed outside of this sovereign scope is regarded as a business activity and is subject to VAT. B. Activities conducted in competition with the private sector. A government entity is also considered to be making a business supply if its activities are conducted in competition with private sector businesses. This means that if a government entity offers goods or services that are also provided by private enterprises, it is deemed to be carrying out a business transaction. Such activities are subject to VAT to maintain a fair competitive environment between the government and the private sector. 2. Cabinet decision on government entities' VAT status. A cabinet decision will be issued based on the recommendation of the minister, which will determine A. Activities considered as conducted in a sovereign capacity. The cabinet decision will outline which government activities fall strictly under sovereign functions and are exempt from VAT. This ensures that essential governmental functions are not taxed, as they are not considered commercial transactions. B. Instances where activities are not in competition with the private sector. The cabinet decision will also specify cases where a government entity's activities, even if commercial in nature, are not deemed to be in competition with the private sector. This classification ensures that VAT is not applied unfairly to government-provided services that do not distort market competition. 3. Importance of the cabinet decision. The cabinet decision serves as a formal guideline for determining VAT applicability to government transactions. It provides clarity and legal certainty for government entities regarding their VAT obligations. It helps differentiate between taxable and non-taxable government activities to ensure compliance with UAE VAT laws. For more details, contact us.